Hello students, today we are going to start standard 5th, our main course book, subject ES and chapter number 10, day and night and season. So first we see day and night. So what is day and night? Our earth spin from west to east. Our earth spin from west to east. It take about 24 hours. How many time he take? About 24 hours to complete one rotation. One rotation complete करने में 24 hours लेती है. So the makes a complete day. And one rotation completed, so this makes the complete day. The earth rotates continuously. While rotating on its axis, the earth also continues to revolve or move around the sun. Therefore, at any time, only one half of the earth faces the sun. So this half of the earth has day, and in this time, while at the same time the other half which is away from the sun has night. Now when the day are long, what type of clothes we wear and why? So that time we wear light colored cotton cloths because it is absorb sweat easily from our body. Now second question out about day. When the day are long, what type of clothes we don't wear? What types of clothes we don't wear? The day are long. We don't wear dark and woolen clothes. When the day are short, what kind of clothes do we wear? We wear woolen clothes. When the day are short, which clothes we should not wear? The day are short, which cloth we should not wear? So we should not wear cotton cloth. Now, what type of cloth do you wear in September and why? In September month, what types of cloth you wear and why? In September month, we wear cotton cloths. In this month, rainy season may going on. So students, you understanding day and night? Day and night causes rotation. So earth is spin, its axis causes day and night. It complete earth the 24 hours one day. So it causes day and night. Now today, modern times, due to the uses of cold storage, scientific agriculture and improved seed, most of the vegetables are available throughout the year. Due to this is not possible to differentiate vegetable at the basis of winter season, summer season and monsoon. Now first we understanding season. What is season? So when any one type of weather condition continues for many days, we call it a season. So how many types of season? Winter season, summer season and monsoon season. The change in the season in the result of the earth movement around the sun. A year is divided into three major seasons. So we understanding what is this, what three season: summer, winter and rainy season. Spring and autumn come in between this main season. Now first is winter season. So what we do in winter season? Winter season is the coldest time of the year. It is cold and misty almost throughout the year, especially during morning and evening. Cold, dry air blows in this season. We wear sweater, gloves, etc. to keep ourselves warm. Sometimes when it is extremely cold, we also light fire or uses room heaters to keep the warm. So, what we wear in winter season? We wear in winter season sweater, gloves, etc. Why? To keep ourselves warm, हमारी बॉडी को गर्म रखने के लिए. And in this season, cold and misty almost throughout the day and especially during morning and evening time. And in this time, cold dry air blows. Now, second, summer season. So, summer is the hottest time of the year. In whole year, the hottest time of the year. The sun shines brightly throughout the day and warm dry air blows during the daytime. In the daytime is blows dry air. Warm and dry air blows during the daytime. We wear light cotton cloth to keep ourselves cool as they absorb sand. What type of cloth we wear? Cotton cloth. Why? Keep ourselves cool as they absorb sweat. We need to drink plenty of water as we lose a lot of its while sweating. Now, monsoon. So, monsoon is we also called rainy season. In this season of the rain, it rains almost every day in monsoon. Sometimes rain are also accompanied by strong winds, thunder and lightning. We wear raincoat and use umbrellas to protect ourselves from the rain. Rainy season is welcomed especially by farmers and children. In India, farmers depend on rain for irrigation of their field. In this season, almost every day in monsoon means every day is rainy day. Sometimes heavy rain and river flows overflow and we use umbrella, raincoat. Why? Protect ourselves from the rain. Now autumn and spring season in between main season. In autumn the weather is neither too hot nor too cold. It is dry and windy. Dry leaves fall from the tree. In spring, the weather is pleasant. It is the season of flower and butterfly. So, students, you understanding day and night and seasons? Now, for example, give 3 more names. Here are given example of 3. Given example 1 and we write 3 more names. So, can be eaten raw like cucumber. Here are we write 3 names of can be eaten raw. So, first we write carrot, tomato and radish. This can be eaten raw, means cucumber, carrot, tomato and radish we can be eaten raw. Now next, can be roasted and eaten like chapati. So here we write three names. First, paratha, rotlo, and papdi. So, can be roasted and eaten chapati, like eaten chapati. So, we here write paratha, rotlo and papdi. So, rotlo, otherwise we write only rotla. Okay, rotla. Rotla is made bajri and maize, other grains. Now next, can be boiled. Can be boiled and eaten like khichdi. So, what things we boiled and eaten? Dal. Here write khichdi. So, we write here rice, dal, rice and dal dhokli. These are we eaten like boiled. Now can be sauteed and eaten, जिसको हम सौते करके खाते हैं. So what things we saute? Here write paratha. So thepla, puda and uttapam. Uttapam, thepla, puda and uttapam we can be sauteed and eaten. Now, can be fried and eaten like puri. Which things can be fried and eaten like puri? So, samosa, kachori, samosa, kachori and bhajia. Samosa, kachori, bhajia can be fried and eaten. Now, what we will learn today? We learn day and night season. How many season? Winter season, summer season and monsoon. And here we learn about, as per example, give three more names. Can be eaten raw like cucumber. Can be roasted and eaten like chapati. Can be boiled and eaten like khichdi. Can be sauteed and eaten parathas. Can be fried and eaten like puri. So students, you understanding in this chapter. Now next chapter 11, Nation Pride. In this chapter, Vasta and Ayushi were watching TV. Just then Ketul and Honey came back from the temple with Grandma. Grandma asked Vasta and Ayushi, What are you watching in the TV? Do you know about him? आप जो टीवी में देख रहे हो वो क्या देख रहे हो? क्या आप जानते हो उनके बारे में? वास्ता, यस, दिस इज अबाउट फेयरलेस आज़ाद. वो निडर आज़ाद है. ग्रैंडमा फेयरलेस आज़ाद्स नेम वॉज चंद्रशेखर since childhood. He was brave. He sacrificed for the freedom of our country. Ketul and Honey, you also watch this film? Afterwards, I shall tell you the story of one such fearless child. So, story is here in the picture form. In your page book 88 given picture and you see this picture and listen. उसमें फर्स्ट पिक्चर में जो हमें है वो ट्रेन दिखाई दे रही है and we see the train, and in second picture the boy holding a shirt, red color of shirt. So in this story what do you see in the first picture? अब फर्स्ट पिक्चर में क्या दे? वी कैन सी वन बॉय इज स्टैंडिंग विथ नियर ब्रोकन रेलवे ट्रैक. एंड व्हाट इज द चाइल्डहुड डूइंग इन द सेकेंड पिक्चर? सेकेंड पिक्चर में चाइल्ड क्या कर रहा है? व्हाट इज द चाइल्ड डूइंग द सेकेंड पिक्चर? इन सेकेंड पिक्चर द बॉय इज ट्राइंग टू स्टॉप द ट्रेन. ही लुक ऑफ हिज shirt and shone. His shirt on shone. Why? Because train is coming and railway track is broken. So the boys railway track is broken and the boy is trying to stop train. He take off his shirt and shone. In the second picture, why has the train stood still in the second picture? The train has stood because guard has seen red cloth. There are no guard, but boys take a shirt, red color of shirt, took off his red color shirt and train is stopped. So the train has stood because guard has seen red cloth. Why is the guard congratulating this child? The guard is congratulating child because he has done good work. He has done good work. He alert an accident. He avoid the accident of train. उसने जो ट्रेन एक्सीडेंट होना था उसे अवॉइड किया. सो फर्स्ट पिक्चर में रेलवे ट्रैक दिखाई दे रहा है एंड द ट्रैक इज ब्रोकन. एंड इन द सेकेंड पिक्चर द बॉयज टुक ऑफ हिज शर्ट एंड शोन. सो व्हाई? द ट्रेन इज स्टॉप. द ट्रेन हैज स्टॉप and because guard has seen the red signal. Train has stood because guard has seen the cloth. Why is the guard congratulation his child? Because he has done good work. Be avoid an accident of train. Avoid the accident of the train. What would you if were in the place of the child? अगर उस बॉय की जगह आप होते तो क्या करते? आई ऑल्सो ट्राइंग टू स्टॉप द ट्रेन लाइक दिस बॉय. जो बॉय ने किया था वही हम करते. सो स्टूडेंट्स, इन दिस स्टोरी इज चंद्रशेखर आज़ाद, fearless Chandrasekhar Azad, and here nickname Azad, fearless Azad, but name was Chandrasekhar Azad. And he is childhood and brave childhood. He is brave childhood and he sacrificed for the freedom of the country. So this story is completed. Now, next learn about the historical events that occurred around you in those events. There must be talk about martyrs too. A martyr is one who dies for the pride of this village, city or country. Now story say grandma. So grandma say, I shall tell you about the martyr. So it was the time when the British were ruling in the Meghraj village of Sabarkantha district, where every year the festival of Holi was celebrated with great fervor. Here the British had a bad law. British has bad law. The British official would make a statue named Laji, which would be of a man not wearing any clothes. The statue would be put up in the village center. It was made compulsory for the villagers to move around this statue on the day of Holi. On the day of Holi, they are compulsory for villagers to move around the statue on the day of Holi. So once the youth of the village got together, they were brought together by a younger man called Poonam Chandra Pandya. The name is young man Poonam Chandra Pandya. The British official got the statue made and went away. At night, Poonam Chand and his friends broke the statue. Next day, when everybody came there to follow the rules by the British, there was no statue. When the officials inquired, Poonam Chand Pandya accepted his obeisance. Poonam Chand took part in the fight of non-cooperation against the foreign government in order to free the country. Poonam Chand went to the jail several times. So, students, here we understanding about martyrs and Poonam Chand Pandya. So, what is martyr's name? So, martyr's name is like Poonam Chand Jaishankar Pandya. If there is a statue on his name, then its details martyrs like Poonam Chand Jaishankar Pandya, born 1905. Now various events of the life of the martyr. So Poonam Chand and his friend broke the statue which was in the village center. Now question is, how did he become martyr? So he was freedom fighter and he took part in the fight of the non-cooperation against the foreign government. So, and what would you do if this happens? If your friend suddenly suffers from NASA, I take my friend to the hospital.